A simple AI demo feels effortless, but deploying those same models across thousands of enterprise users requires massive, hidden infrastructure. Flat-rate pricing does not apply here. Production AI operates on strictly usage-based economics, meaning every interaction generates a charge. Those charges compound quickly across million document retrieval pipelines, continuous agentic workflows, and intensive vector database queries. A proof of concept supporting 10 users is highly affordable. Moving that exact same system to 10,000 users causes inference spend to grow exponentially. Without structural controls in place, widespread adoption becomes a financial liability. If a tool is highly utilized, the inference costs can actively bankrupt the project supporting it. Solving this requires a specific architectural discipline, AI cost engineering. Building scalable AI requires moving beyond basic accuracy. It demands embedding strict financial constraints directly into the system architecture from day one. Unlike traditional machine learning, where training was the primary expense, generative AI shifts the burden to inference, a continuous, inescapable operational cost for every single user interaction. This diagram illustrates a model breaking text apart into discrete processing units. These tokens are the fundamental atomic units that language models use and bill against. Both the user's initial input prompt and the model's newly generated response consume these billable tokens. Today's frontier models feature massive context windows. This creates a dangerous temptation for developers to dump unchecked raw data directly into their prompts, simply because the model can hold it. This context bloat introduces heavy processing delays and degrades the model's reasoning capabilities by surrounding the core instruction with irrelevant noise. The direct financial consequence is severe. Forcing a model to process irrelevant information mathematically multiplies the cost of every single query. The foundational architectural defense against this is context compression. Instead of sending an entire 200-page manual to answer one specific question, extraction techniques pull only the required paragraphs into the prompt. For long conversational histories, systems apply summarization techniques, using a smaller, cheaper model to condense the text before it reaches the final prompt. Developers also use rigid formatting, converting loose conversational text into highly dense JSON payloads or bulleted tables drastically reduces the required space. Paying for irrelevant context is literally burning compute. Precision context is the baseline requirement for scalable logic. These token costs escalate rapidly when we move from single prompt interactions to complex retrieval augmented generation or RAG workflows. This system diagram outlines a standard RAG pipeline. Setting this up requires a massive upfront compute investment to index, chunk, and embed millions of enterprise documents. Then comes the ongoing operational cost. Every user query must be converted into an embedding and mapped against the vector database to scan for semantic matches. Poorly designed retrieval pipelines overcompensate for weak search logic by simply retrieving more data, dumping dozens of irrelevant document chunks into the final context window. To restrict this massive search space, engineers must apply metadata filtering, constraining the query by date, user role, or department before the search even begins. A re-ranking model then acts as a final sieve, evaluating the initial search results and aggressively limiting the number of chunks actually passed to the large language model. Even with perfect retrieval, generating the exact same response for hundreds of users asking the exact same common question is highly inefficient. The financial circuit breaker for high-volume enterprise queries is multi-tier caching. By storing frequently used prompts, embeddings, and finalized API results, the cache layer intercepts incoming data pathways, returning known answers instantly for zero compute cost. Recomputing known answers destroys unit economics. A scalable RAG system retrieves knowledge intelligently, not exhaustively. A single prompt interaction has a predictable cost, but autonomous workflows trigger a chain reaction of compounding financial unpredictability. To complete a single user request, an agent operates behind the scenes to plan a strategy, actively retrieve data, reflect on its findings, and trigger external tool calls. Each of these autonomous steps requires an independent model call, exponentially multiplying token payloads, API charges, and network latency. This graph maps an agent's logic pathway. If the agent hallucinates or fails to find sufficient data, it can easily get stuck in an infinite retrieval loop, generating exponential charges in seconds. Because of this risk, autonomous systems cannot be allowed to run in an open-ended state without strict engineering boundaries in place. Any production agent requires an active control layer known as an agentic budget. Developers enforce maximum step limits, impose hard token budgets, and implement loop detection algorithms to automatically terminate recursive cycles. Autonomy without explicit financial boundaries is an engineering failure masquerading as an advanced feature. There is a persistent assumption in enterprise deployment that every single feature requires a massive, state-of-the-art frontier model. Using premium reasoning capabilities for simple tasks like classifying a support email or parsing basic text is massive financial waste. A model's parameter scale correlates directly with its hardware requirements. Larger models inherently command higher compute costs and longer latency delays. This is where intelligent model routing acts as the system's traffic controller. When a prompt arrives, the router analyzes its complexity and assigns it to the appropriate compute tier based on task requirements. High-volume, low-stakes parsing tasks are instantly directed to small, highly specialized models that operate at a fraction of a cent. Only the complex, high-stakes analysis is forwarded to the powerful, expensive frontier models. Matching model size to task complexity ensures an organization only pays the premium compute tax when advanced reasoning is strictly required. Zooming out from the system microarchitecture, managing AI costs ultimately requires macro visibility. A basic operational principle applies. Technical leadership cannot optimize what the engineering team cannot actively measure. This necessitates AI FinOps, the discipline of establishing granular financial observability across the entire generative stack. Teams must actively track critical telemetry metrics, isolating GPU utilization, tool call frequency, and token volume, separated by individual business units. However, evaluating a system's success based solely on its cost per token is a flawed metric for measuring actual return on investment. System telemetry must ultimately be mapped to business value, tracking the precise cost per successful business outcome, such as a resolved customer ticket or an expedited coding task. The next decade belongs to architectures that prioritize economic sustainability as a core technical requirement alongside raw intelligence.